So hello friends, this is the part 7 of this PYQ series of the JEE Mains 2024 of organic chemistry. So the today's first question is, identify major product P formed in the following reaction. Is the given reaction is that benzene on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This AlCl3 is the Lewis acid. So what will be the product P? So here what will happen, previously this carbon is not so much electron deficient because this lone pair of carbon will be in conjugation with that oxygen, so therefore this carbon is not so much electron deficient. But if we use Lewis acid, then chlorine can donate this lone pair of electron to the empty p orbital of aluminium. So now this carbon becomes more electron deficient, so this benzene can easily attack on that electrophilic carbonyl carbon atom. So here electrophilic substitution reaction occurs, so this benzene ring will attack there. So now the carbocation is formed here. This will be rearomatized by leaving of H plus ion, and here the product formula is this. What is the name of that product? Benzophenone. So the B option is correct of that question. So now the next question is, today's second question is, identify the structure of 2,3-dibromo-1-phenyl pentane. This is the one of the most easiest question of that series. Simply this is the IUPAC nomenclature. So if you have already studied the rules of nomenclature of IUPAC name, you can easily solve this question. What is the name? 2,3-dibromo-1-phenyl pentane. So here pentane, for pentane we have to, pentane means chain of 5 carbon atoms. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here you can number from this side or this side. I numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5. At second and third position, one bromine to each carbon is attached, and at first position pH. You can, for phenyl group you can write pH, and other valences of carbon are balanced by hydrogen, CH2 CH CH CH2. So this is the texture of that given compound, and the option A is correct. So now the today's next question is, identify A and B in the following reaction sequences. The given reaction is this: para bromobenzene on reaction concentrated HNO3 gives A, which on further reaction with NaOH and HCl. What will be the final product? Here if we react bromobenzene with concentrated HNO3, bromination is occurs at para position. At para position, which on further reaction with NaOH and HCl, this bromine is replaced by OH. So here OH is comes, the paranitrophenol is the product. But if you go through the option, this option is not given, then what will be the product? The correct option will be that. So the reaction will be happen like that. 2,4,6-trinitrobenzene will be the product A. So after reacting NaOH and HCl, this pair is bromine is replaced by OH. So this will be the product. So this will be the product. In the option, A is given like that and B is like that. And in the another option, what are the products? Somewhere NOT is attached to meta position, somewhere NOT is attached to ortho position, and somewhere in the product B, these NO2 groups are replaced by OH and bromine is remains same. So this is the wrong. So the correct option is 2,4,6-trinitrobromine is the product A, and the product B is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. So the option C is correct of that question. So the today's next question is, major product of the following reaction is, the given reaction is this product on alkene on reacting with DCl. This is like a HCl, hydrochloric acid. This is same, but this hydrogen is replaced by deuterium. So what will be the product? Firstly, here the Markovnikov rule is applied. Negative part is goes attached to that carbon atom which contain less number of hydrogen atom, or you can say a most stable carbocation is formed. So D is attached to that. So therefore here more tertiary carbocation is formed which is more stable. And after that Cl minus is attached to that carbon atom carbocation. So here one thing is that this carbocation is planar, so chlorine can attack from above side as well as below side. Therefore two products are formed. So from the four options were given, you can eliminate easily option A, where deuterium is attached to tertiary carbon, and here in the C option, deuterium is attached to tertiary carbon, but the product our product, deuterium is attached to the secondary. So first and third options are eliminated. But what about B and D? Here this is the MCQ, this is not a NSQ. If this question was multiple selective, then you can write the answer B and D. But here multiple choice question, you have to select only one option. So which will be the more stable, more major product? To find major product, one thing comes that here formation of like non-classical carbocation. Here this type of disease is formed, not big amount, very small amount. After attacking of Cl minus, what will be happen? Suppose if D is above side, then chlorine comes from below side. If D is below side, then chlorine comes from above the side. So here the position of deuterium and chlorine is trans. So CH3 is here. If deuterium is below the side, here one is hydrogen, then chlorine comes from here. Or if deuterium is above the side, here, then chlorine comes from below side. So here if we see B and D option, position of deuterium and chlorine is trans. So in which option opposite the position of deuterium and chlorine? In B. In D, chlorine and deuterium has the same position, same side. So in the B option, deuterium and chlorine are at opposite sides. So the correct option is B. So now the next question is, the correct order of reactivity in electrophilic substitution reaction of the following compounds is. Here the four compounds were given. A is benzene, simply benzene is there. Another second is toluene is there. C is chlorobenzene. And last one is nitrobenzene. So the question is, which is more reactive with electrophilic substitution reaction? If you see, for electrophilic substitution, electrophilic means the species come to attack on benzene is electron deficient, so benzene ring should have electron rich. So among these, which is more electron rich? NO2 is a electron withdrawing group, so this should strong electron withdrawing group, so this should have less electrophilic substitution reaction. Among these three, what about halogen? Halogens has a minus plus M effect, but in the halogen minus I effect is dominating. So here for the halogen minus I effect is considered, so this becomes little much electron withdrawing group. So now again benzene ring becomes electron deficient, so now the C will become. After that, among these two, CH3 has a plus I effect, so it donates electron to the benzene ring, so benzene ring becomes more electron rich than simple benzene. So now A will come, and after that B. So which one is more facile to electrophilic substitution reaction? B, then A, then C, then last one D. So correct option is A. Is the correct option of that question. So now the next question is, the azo dye formed in the following reaction is, the one reaction is given that sulfanilic acid, sulfanilic acid plus NaNO2 plus acetic acid CH3COOH gives X, and that X is reacted with, here NH2 is attached this group to give Y, and they asked what is the Y, that is what is the last product, end product. So first you should have to know about what is sulfanilic acid. What is sulfanilic acid? First, what is sulfonic acid? The benzene ring to which SO3H group is attached, this is the sulfonic acid, and if at para position NH2 group is attached, then this is the sulfanilic acid. This on reaction with NaNO2 plus CH3COOH, this is like what? NaNO2 plus HCl. Here the acid, and instead of HCl, acetic acid is used. So what will be the formation of the X? This NH2 will be converted into diazonium salt. So what will be the product? Here at para position SO3H remains same, here N2 plus diazonium is formed, and here counter ion is acetate ion, because here acetic acid is used. So this is the counter ion. So now if we react this diazonium salt with this group, the dye is formed, and we have to find the structure of that dye. So here what will form? On reaction of that salt, diazonium salt, N2 plus SO3H plus, here NH2 is there, here the coupling reaction is occurs. So para position of that NH2 is coupling with this azo group. So what will be the product? I am writing SO3H above side, so here N double bond N, here at para position NH is there. This will be the azo dye formed in that reaction. So here the correct option is C. Another options were given, but somewhere this NH2 is diminished, somewhere this as a group is attached to that side. So many options, many different products were given in the among other three options, but the correct option is C, where this product is given. So the correct option is C of that question. Now the next question. This question is based on the name reaction. Identify the name reaction. The reaction given is simply benzene on reaction with carbon monoxide in presence of HCl and anhydrous AlCl3 and cuprous chloride gives benzaldehyde. If you have studied about all the name reaction which were given in the syllabus of JEE mains, then you can easily find out which one is the reaction this reagent is used. So which is that reaction? Here the option 1 is given, Rosen Mond reaction. Second option is Gatterman Koch reaction. A option, B option, C option is Stephen reaction. In previous video we have discussed about Rosenman reaction, Stepan reaction, and last one is Itard reaction. But there is no discuss we Getterman-Koch reaction. In Rosenman reaction, S2PDBaSO4 is reagent is used to convert acyl chloride to benzaldehyde. And we have discussed about Stepan and Itard reaction in previous video. If you want to see which reagent we used, you can go to the previous video and see about this, which reagent are used in Stepan and Itard reaction. So the correct name of that reaction is Getterman-Koch reaction. So the option B is correct of that question. Which reaction is this? In which carbon monoxide, HCl, anhydrous AlCl3, cuprous chloride is used to convert benzene into benzaldehyde is Getterman-Koch reaction. So now the next question. In that question is two statements are given. First one is the aniline reacts with concentrated H2SO4 followed by heating at 453 Kelvin gives para-aminobenzene. What? Aniline. First statement is aniline is reacted with concentrated H2SO4 gives para-aminosulfonic acid SO3H, which gives blood red color in the Lassagn's test. I hope you have did practical to find out elementary test in any organic compound to find out nitrogen, sulfur and chlorine. To find out that element, Lassagn's test are used. So here in that product, nitrogen as well as sulfur are present, so it gives positive Lassagne test. So but this is not present in that form, this is present in deuter ionic form. Why? What is deuter ionic form? That basis in which positive as well as negative charge available, that is anionic and cationic species are present. Because this is basic, NH2 is basic, SO3 is acidic, therefore this base takes H plus from there, so the here becomes NH3 positive and here SO3 minus. This is deuteronic test, but this gives positive Lassagne test, that is blood red color. So statement first is correct. Now the second statement is in Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction, aniline forms salt with AlCl3 catalyst. So if you are going to do Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction with aniline, if you are going to Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction or alkylation reaction with aniline, then what will happen? This AlCl3 forms complex with this NH3. This NH3 donates lone pair to that empty p orbital of aluminum chloride and forms a complex AlClC. And these, so now the this NH2 becomes positive and this withdraws electron density towards itself. So now this benzene ring becomes electron deficient, though, so it can't attack on the carbonyl carbon. Suppose this carbonyl carbon is electron deficient, but this now benzene ring becomes electron deficient, so this can't attack on that carbonyl carbon. So if aniline is going to Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, it is not possible. It becomes deactivating group for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So second statement is also correct. So statement 1 and statement seconds are true. The B option is correct of that question. Now the next question is, so here one question is conceptual based question is given that compound X with molar mass 108 gram per mole undergoes acetylation to give product with molar mass. Suppose product P is formed, molar mass 192 gram per mole. The number of amino group in the compound X is, means suppose RNH2 group is compound is X compound is there. If we go to acetylation, that acyl chloride is there, this NH2 will attack on that carbon atom. This bond goes to the oxygen, again comes back and chlorine is leaves out. What will happen? NH2 double bond O R, positive charge comes, this one of the proton is leaves out, and RNH double bond O R is formed. So they gave us the molecular mass of reactant and also molecular mass of product. So they asked how many numbers of amino group are there. So to find out that, first we have to calculate. First subtract how much mass is increased after reaction. 192 minus 108 84 is increased. So by adding this group in acylation, here CH3 group is there, so here also CH3 is group there. So how much mass is increased? 84. Due to of which group? CH3 C double bond O. What is the molecular weight of that CH3? Carbon has 12 24, oxygen 16, 3 hydrogen 3. So here 43 mass for one group. But if you see, one hydrogen is also removed, therefore minus 1. 42 molecular mass is increased if one COCH3 group is attached. So total mass is increased by 84. So if one NH2 group is there, one acyl group is attached and mass is increased by 42. If 84 molecular weight is increased, then two acyl group should be there. So to react two acyl group, to add two acyl group in the reactant, two NH2 group should be there. So therefore how many number of NH2 group should be in the reactant? 2. So our answer is 2. This is the numerical answer type question. So answer of that question is 2. Now the next question is, the question is the number of isomeric products formed in the monochlorination of 2-methyl butane in presence of sunlight. So which reactant is give 2-methyl butane. Butane means 1 2 3 4. At the second position CH3 is there, another CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Here I am writing bond line structure of that. 1 2 3 4. Here one CH3 group is attached. This on monochlorination, that is Cl2 in presence of light, what will be the product? There are number of products. If I chlorinated at that side, one product is there. If I chlorinated, these two sides are same, therefore another product is like that. Another is this one plus another is this one. So now these four products were given formed. So among these, this one is the chiral carbon. So here how many isomers are formed? 2. Here this is not chiral carbon, so here one is formed. Here also, here chlorine, here methyl, here one hydrogen is there. This one is also chiral carbon. Here also 2 isomers are formed, and this is also not chiral, so here one isomer is formed. So the total number of isomers are 2 1 3 2 5 6 6. So our answer should be 6. This is also numerical answer type question, so the answer of that question is 6. And one last question is, this is the fact based education. You should have to remember that from the vitamins, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 vitamins were given. And out of that, which is can be stored in our body. So here A, B, B6, here B1 is there, B6, B12, C, D, E and K vitamins are given. Out of that, which can be stored in our body. So if you have studied about vitamin, then you can write the answer. Otherwise, you can't write the answer of that question. Among these, A can be stored in our body, D can also be stored in our body, E also, K also, and beta 12. Therefore, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vitamins can be stored in our body. So correct answer is 5. This is also numerical answer type. Our answer should be 5. So I hope guys you are understanding well this PYQ series. Please try to understand well and practice again. See video again and again if you are not understanding. If you have any doubt, then comment please. And this is enough for today. And thank you.